Hello friends and welcome to my channel Infinity Hours. So recently I bought a brand new mouse and that is the Logitech M90. So let's open it. Inside there is a one set of mouse and there is nothing else. So this is a wired mouse, this is not a USB mouse, and it comes with a 3 years of warranty. The wire is quite long. You can see here it's quite long. So I checked it because previously I was using the same brand mouse. So the wire comes around 6 feet. So if you are sitting a long distance, so you can easily connect with your laptop or desktop and you can work your whatever work you are doing. It's very nice. And if you are doing documentation work, official work, so this mouse is very good for that. So if you are doing any graphics related work, graphic designing work, you can easily do with this mouse. And if you are doing 3D designing and all, little bit of painting kind of work, you can simply buy this mouse and use it. It works very nicely because previously I was using the same brand and that I was using for last 7 to 8 years, and I didn't get any kind of trouble with this mouse. It's very nice and works very nicely. You can buy it like online and offline. It's easily available on Amazon and Flipkart. So you can just check out the latest price and you can simply order. So ये वीडियो में इतना ही है. आपको ये वीडियो कैसे लगा बता सकते हैं, और आपको ये माउस अगर ख़रीदना है आप आराम से ख़रीद सकते हैं. ये इसका प्राइस बहुत ही कम है. आप जस्ट ऑनलाइन में इसका प्राइस लेटेस्ट प्राइस चेक करिए और आप परचेस करिए, और आप जो भी काम कर रहे हैं उसको आप आराम से कर सकते हैं. And I always say that do great work with less price. So that's all about. So if you are new to my channel, you can subscribe to support me. You also can put your comment, share and like my videos. And if you want to connect with me, you can connect with me through Facebook and Instagram. All the links I'll share in my description. You can just check it out. तो ये वीडियो में इतना ही है. मिलते हैं कुछ नए चीज़ों के साथ अगले वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए वीडियोस देखते रहिए, खुश रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए और कुछ क्रिएटिव काम करते रहिए. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.